What's the deal? What's the deal? It's Randall. We're here at modfx.
Got J Monet.
And you know, we got a cool project to show you. Jose had to take off, but we couldn't let the night pass without showing you one of the coolest things to come out of the shop. You know, we always say do it big and stretch yourself, and you don't know how far your limitations are. This is a project that kind of pushed us to the limit and made us, you know, push to do more and to kind of make it happen. And so I'm gonna let J Money show you a little bit about this project. But what we have here is a 2018 Grand Coach Mercedes Sprinter van. It's set up as an RV, but we know we had to give it that modfx treatment and give it that party bus vibe. So let's check it out. Before we get to the vehicle, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce y'all to Miss Boss Supra. She also has a Supra. They have a couple of cool vehicles, and her son Henry Brown Jr. I'll put the links in the bio to their Instagram pages, but we're gonna show y'all one of their whips, and we'll probably show y'all some more of their cars soon. So y'all check it out. Let's go.
Wow, man. Yeah. Freaking amazing, man.
We got about like 3,000 stars in here.
Wow.
3 different panels, 3 different kits. We had to make our kind of like our own little headliner attachment to this headliner. We decided to go with white to tie in the whole entire interior. White, that peanut butter, and especially the stars hit a lot harder than usual on the white upholstery. But
Wow.
Full color change, RGB, Bluetooth, dance with the music, twinkle, any color you can think of really.
Goodness.
Play with your phone, also comes with a remote.
How many remotes? Wow. It's freaking amazing.
And then on the app, it allows you to turn off each panel. So if you only want to, you turn that into a bed, you guys are about to go to bed, you can turn the lights off there, keep them on here, vice versa. So each 3 panels are on their own remote type.
Wow.
So you can do it however you want, change all 3 colors if you want, or just have them going crazy.
But say you ain't have to do them like that.
It's amazing.
You ain't have to do them like that.
So Miss Boss, what you think about it?
Oh man, it's well worth the financial investment. I mean, I have never ever seen anything like this. You know, I know that usually this effect is like in Rolls Royces, excuse me. But let me tell you something. It's a whole nother level. A whole nother level. I mean, who wouldn't want it? I mean, all I can say, look, if y'all coming to get this this visual, hit up modfx. I mean, there's no limits. They can do it. I'm like, I can't stop looking at it. I'm like,
I don't think
it's amazing.
Broke eye contact.
Absolutely amazing.
That'll work. So we definitely appreciate you all's support. You know, we're gonna continue the relationship and make sure that we meet all your needs and try and exceed your expectations. And you know, we're gonna go ahead and pass this one over to y'all and let y'all enjoy it.
Wow.
Hopefully when the car show season comes around, you let us borrow it as well.
I'm about to say the same thing, man.
Yeah, you know, we gotta pull up strong, but
Comes
yeah.
with a built-in chauffeur. I got you.
yes ma'am. But that's pretty much it
Got
though.
you.
So, you know, y'all stay tuned. Once again, thank you for watching. And we got more to come, so you know, subscribe if you want to. Give them a follow on Instagram and all social media. And we'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.
Y'all be safe. Peace.